If VA minus VB equal to 6 volt, then VC minus VD is. The options are minus 5 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt and 6 volt. Here he is giving a circuit for us, and he has given VA minus VB is 6 volt. He is asking VC minus VD. This is a very good question he is giving. So what is the current passing through this? I is how much? VA minus VB by 2. Since it is given as VA minus VB is 6, current is 3 ampere. VA minus VB, I am substituting it as 6. VA minus VB is 6, 6 by 2 is 3 ampere. 3 ampere current is flowing from A to B. It is going here like this. We want VC minus VD. Now note, this circuit is given like this. This circuit, whatever it may be, whatever it may have, when inside this, how much is going? 3 ampere. Here 3 ampere is going inside this circuit. How much will come from here? 3 ampere only. It is simple. Like some circuit is there, some network is there, whatever it may be. The given network, here it is this one. Here 3 ampere is going, and how much should come from here? 3 ampere only. This is obvious. From how much the network inside it is going, that much current only should come. These are the principles. Therefore 3 ampere is coming out of this. This is 2 ampere given, 1 ohm, VC and VD. He is asking what? VC minus VD. 3 ampere is coming here, 2 ampere is coming here. How much current will go into this? 5 ampere. You understood from the KCL. KCL says that sum of all the currents is 0, leaving currents. Minus 2 minus 3 plus x equal to 0. Therefore x is 5 ampere. This is obvious, right? Here 3 ampere is coming, here 2 ampere is coming. Therefore here 5 ampere will go. Now what is VC minus VD? VC is the voltage at this point, minus how much current is coming? It's going minus 5 into 1 ohm, minus VD is equal to 0. Therefore VC minus VD equal to minus 5 volt. So VC minus VD is 5 volt, which is option A. Another way of explaining is, this whole network can be simplified as, I am writing network NT, network NT. It can be simplified as what? A Thevenin equivalent, which means what? This is constant resistance. Any network can be simplified as R Thevenin and V Thevenin, right? So let me write it as Z Thevenin. Thevenin equivalent I am seeing for this network. This is Z Thevenin and this is V Thevenin. Any network can be simplified as Thevenin or Norton equivalent. That is what I am simplifying. So 3 ampere is coming here. So 3 ampere will be leaving also. It comes here and it goes through this, and we get 3 ampere here. Therefore 5 ampere comes here. VC is this one and VD is this one. Okay. If you cannot satisfy with this explanation of 3 ampere going and 3 ampere coming out, just see this explanation. We can simplify any circuit as R Thevenin and V Thevenin. That is this network I am saying. And as 3 ampere is going inside this loop, constant current should be there. Whatever current is going, it should come out. Therefore 3 ampere is also coming out. So finally the option A is correct.